Hello again, I'm Ryan with the More Oil Company here at the P&S Detail Studio to go over extractor maintenance. I have here the mighty HP 100 extractor. I'm going to get ready to show you how we're going to start our day with our extractor machine. First thing I want to do is I want to come to my front tank and I want to fill my front tank with water to prepare for the detailing of the day. Our front tank holds roughly 9 to 10 gallons of water. It's better to underfill than overfill. When you start to overfill, what happens is you overfill your top tank, and that can affect the electrical components of the machine. And we want to keep our machine in the best operating unit possible. Once I'm ready with a full tank, I'm going to grab my wand. I grab my wand and I'm going to turn my pump on so I can prime my pump. Then I'm going to turn my heater on and I'm going to place the wand inside the tank. This way, my water gets to optimal temperature. It's going to take roughly 5 minutes for that to happen. Once I'm ready, I can approach my extraction and begin. Now that I've reached the end of the day with my machine, I'm going to remove water from it. I'm going to grab my bucket, or possibly if you have a floor drain where you work, go to the back of the machine, pull the T-handle that's there, and water comes out. Like I said, it does hold around 9 gallons of water, so a 5-gallon bucket won't hold it all, so pay attention to what you're doing, otherwise you're going to have something else to clean up. When I'm done removing the water from the dirty tank, I go to my clean tank. Any water that's in my clean tank, I do not want to tip the machine forward and dump the water out, but I want to go back to my extractor hose, place my extractor hose in the unit, turn my vacuum on, and pull the rest of the water out. This is dual purpose. This helps clean my hose, get rid of some of the junk that's in it, as well as properly remove the sediment water from the tank. Then I go back up to my top tank again, remove whatever water's there, grabbing my bucket or either using my floor drain, and remove the excess water. Another thing I like to do is I like to remove my lid and clean the gasket area of the lid. Without a proper gasket and seal, the machine doesn't work as well as it should. And that's something we want to keep track of. Above and beyond all of that, we have our cord. At the end of the day, this is the biggest problem with extractor machines, is cord maintenance. Sometimes guys will pull it around the shop by the back of the cord, causing a problem there. Or when they pull it out of the wall at the end of the day, they do it from where they're standing and yank it out of the wall. You need to walk over to the wall and remove the plug from the end. This will help keep the equipment working the way you'd like it to. Once this is all done, we've completed our day with the extractor machine. There is one other thing that we want to do for regular maintenance, whether it be weekly or monthly, and that's descale the machine. The way we descale the machine is we take a product that's made by Mighty called System Maintainer. We pour the System Maintainer in the machine, and just like heating the water at the beginning of the day, we turn on our pump to prime it, and then we turn on our heater and we run the System Maintainer through by placing the wand back in the tank and letting the machine run. When we're all done, same deal where we suck it out of the tank and then dispose of it through the rear valve. And this is how we take proper care of our extractor. Thank you and happy detailing.